There's no time for disappointment. Let's open the portal to quality trading, friends. My vast experience allows me to say what many are afraid to say. Today we're going to deal with your mindset. This is the Max Bot channel. I am helped by a cool robot assistant who reads the market and shares detailed indicator reports. You can get this neural network for free and forever for a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to subscribe for a fee. If you have any questions, write to the manager in private messages, he will tell you everything. To not miss new fire content and insights, click on the button subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Give us a like and comment, guys. I started on the franc yen currency pair, 5 minutes. The bot showed me 4 bullish indicators and a buy signal. I agree with it in this situation. The periodicity of data update in the neural network is 1 minute. In the past few minutes there have been significant changes on the price movement chart. Buyers have strongly scaled their volumes, which gives an opportunity to improve positions, and even if the price rolls back down within the corridor, the bulls will be able to raise it again. People, listen to me. Now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All partners will get it. To become a partner, write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial consultant. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you to understand and deal with. Let's get this straight. Trading isn't a magic trick. It's not a lucky spin. It's work. Brutal, disciplined, data-driven work. And the truth? Most people fail at it not because they're not smart enough, but because they quit too early. So let's talk. First, money management, the one thing people ignore until it's too late. Think of your capital like oxygen on a spacewalk. You don't blast through your tank in the first 5 minutes and hope for the best. You ration, you plan, you survive. Rule 1. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade. You're not flexing here. You're building. $500 in your account? Your trade size is $5 to $10. Period. That's how you avoid emotional trading, blowing up your balance, and becoming another trading doesn't work story. This isn't just discipline, it's survival instinct. You wouldn't jump into a UFC cage without gloves, would you? Then don't trade without protecting your capital. In the markets, it's not about how much you can win in one lucky punch, it's about how long you can stay in the fight. Now here's the uncomfortable part, failure. Failure is the default state in trading. That's right, it's built into the process. And anyone who's made it, they've bled losses. The difference? They learned. They kept showing up. Michael Jordan missed over 9,000 shots. J.K. Rowling was rejected 12 times before Harry Potter got picked up. You think their success was some divine gift? No. It was obsession, resilience, and relentless work ethic. Trading is no different. You're going to lose. You're going to misread signals. You're going to feel like quitting. But there's one truth, if you don't quit, you win. So, I made a move and it was the right one. Now it's time to take another one. I'll work with the euro and the Canadian dollar. 5-minute time frame and the investment is 1% of the amount in my pocket. All clear and in line with money management. Folks, we have a group in Telegram, where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, link below the video. So, the sell. This is a recommendation from artificial intelligence. The 5 red indicators suggest that the bears are about to get a little stronger. I would like to remind you once again, our team helps with trader training. To chat about training, write our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. I think the price will continue to move within the descending corridor. I built this tool not to replace you, but to empower you. It analyzes the data, reads the charts, filters the noise. It does what your gut instinct can't. It gives you clarity. And right now, it's completely free. But not for long. In about a month, we go paid. So if you're watching this thinking I'll check it out later, don't. Later is how most people miss opportunity. Use the link in the description and lock it in while it's still free. I know people, real people, who walked away from retail jobs, corporate desks, factory shifts, and now trade full-time. Not because they struck it rich, but because they built structure, routine, and consistency. Trading is risk. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. But so is opening a bakery. So is starting a YouTube channel. So is moving to another country. Every leap involves risk. But calculated risk? That's what builds futures. So yes, if you have $100, your position size should be $1. Earn 80 cents a trade. Not exciting, but stable. And if you can stay consistent at that level, scale up. With $1,000, trade $10 per position, earn $8 a win. Same strategy, better yield. That's how compounding works. That's how portfolios grow. And that's why, if you're serious, I recommend funding your account with as much as you reasonably can. Don't borrow, don't stretch, but bring capital to the table. After every session, analyze your entries. What was the setup? Did you follow your rules? Were you chasing? Did fear or greed make the exit? Track your trades. Journal them. Look for patterns, not in the charts, but in yourself. And when it comes to charts, don't just stare at the candles. Look deeper. RSI, Bollinger Bands, moving averages. You're not guessing here. You're reading signals. The market is a language. Learn to read it fluently. Now, drop a comment. What's your favorite strategy? What indicator changed your game? How do you manage your emotions? Let's share what works. Let's build a community where we're not pretending to win. We're helping each other get better. Smash the like if this message hits. Subscribe if you want more sharp insight, no sugarcoating. In the meantime, I finalized the trade. You can see this result. See you, friends. It gets better from here.